what do you want? Get off of my chair. Ice cream.
Hell yeah.
I need to have a little bit of everything.
How can I resist? I can't. It's Christmas.
I'm not. I just.
Oh, look, there's a tart.
I'm going for my second serve. I meant how good. Like, I couldn't see one of them on your plate, so you can have one after if you like.
What's this?
Rumble.
A tart for tart.
Have you got normal custard?
Yeah. Yeah, I don't eat brownie custard either.
Is that normal cream or brownie cream?
That's such a work of art.
There's normal cream in the fridge. I didn't get it out actually. It's really chocolatey.
I'm going to try the ice cream one.
I reckon you're getting better at these each year, don't you?
Because I made a bigger house this year, I didn't do like sometimes I do an outside dunny and a pond. And
Yeah, I've seen you with like housing extensions on the side with a swing and swimming pool and
a rainwater tank.
Yeah.
Typical Aussie, but I didn't do that this year.
You like the little spoon?
Luke, do you want to put that away while we're eating? You don't want to. You are going to
Yeah,
put
they
it
got all
away now. Do you want some ice cream? Do you want some ice cream, Fairy? I said, Luke, put that away. You get thing on it, and he goes, no, I'm going to. You put it away now, and it's like, put it away now. Put it away.
Okay, that's enough now, Luke.
If you don't put it away, Nanny's going to throw it in the bin.
Luke, you'll have it for a long time.
What a miserable old nanny she is. Look at grumpy old nanny at Christmas. Nannies have been working hard today.
Now, do you want some ice cream, Luke? You weren't meant to film that.
I got it now. Funniest Home Videos, Channel 9. You watch. Girl. So are you going to do something? You're just going to stand there? Come on. Come on, we're paying you by the hour, so do something. No, she's off.
Yes, I'm trying to get my gloves.
Scratch, Cocky. Scratch, Cocky.
Paul tried to get close to him the other day and he didn't have the bar of it.
Isn't he pretty? Hello, Ziggy. Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss. Oh, you're a gorgeous boy, aren't you, Ziggy, hey? Gorgeous boy. Yes, Ziggy's a gorgeous boy, hey? Yeah, so you want to scratch? I can't scratch you from there. Come on, come close. No? Hey, I want to scratch. Oh, yes, that's a good boy, yes. Do a dance, come on. Do a dance, yes, do a dance for me, yes. Look at you, beautiful boy. Yes, you are. Look at you, beautiful boy. Do a dance for me. Come on, that's it. Do a dance, yes. Oh, you're a gorgeous boy. Yes, you're a gorgeous boy. Come on, do a dance. Yes. Yeah, come on, do a dance for me. Yes. You're on Steve TV. Yes. Bark, 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 bark. Yes, it's very exciting, isn't it? Yes. You're on Steve TV. 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 Yes, we are driving everyone crazy. You're on Steve TV. You're on Steve TV. Aren't you a good boy? Yes, you are. Take a bow. Take a bow. Thank you very much. I'll be here all week. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, you're a funny fella. Yes, you are. You're a funny fella. Yes, you are. You want a pat? You want a pat? And what about you, Cocky? Hey? Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss, Cocky. Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss, Cocky. Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss. Pretty cocky. You want scratch? Scratch cocky? Scratch cocky? Scratch cocky? Scratch cocky? Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss. Good boy. Yes, you are. You're a good boy. Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Yes, kiss, kiss. Aren't you clever? You're a clever boy, aren't you? Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss. Very good. Kiss, kiss. Oh, now you're kiss-kissing now. Ziggy was watching all of that, and then Ziggy's going, kiss, kiss. It's clever. Hey, want to scratch? Scratch cocky? Scratch cocky? Hey? Oh, you want you want to scratch? Oh, yes. Scratch cocky, hey? Scratch cocky? Scratch cocky? Yes. Cocky wants a scratch. Oh, yes. You're a good boy. Yes, you are. Oh, you're a good boy. Oh, it's nice, isn't it? Yeah. You're a good boy. Yes, you are.
Oh, you show off, Ziggy.
Good boy. Oh. Scratch cocky. Hey, Ziggy. And cocky.
Good boy. Really rolled out and slow.
Good boy. Good boy. Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss. Good boy. Kiss, kiss. Oh, you want me to scratch on your head? There you go. Scratch cocky. Scratch cocky. Hey. Oh. Look at this one. He wants me to scratch his head. It's so sweet. He could quite easily bite my finger off, but he doesn't want to because he likes it. He knows that I'm not going to hurt him. Hey, you're a beautiful boy. Yes, you are. You're a beautiful boy. You're all fluffed up. Hey, you're all fluffed up. Beautiful boy. Hey, beautiful boy. Beautiful boy. Beautiful boy. Oh, yes, you're a beautiful boy. Good cocky. Good cocky. Dance cocky dance. Dance cocky dance. Dance cocky dance. Dance cocky dance. Dance cocky dance.
I am a good woman. I know you love me.
Favourite son.
Yeah. Well, you've got a big bulge there, which is
Are you on any painkillers?
Right now, I'm drugged right up now.
Yeah.
And
You know when you were jumping around on the thing yesterday? That's what it's from.
yeah, he gets pissed and
Yeah.
does stupid things. That's how
You're an
he did it
idiot.
in the first place.
You did. I've got it on film. You running around like there's nothing wrong. That's how you're going to do it. That's how you're going to fuck it up. No, you don't have to be a fuck up. Slap you across the head.
So Brendan, so we don't have to jump in the back.
So am I middle?
No, Brendan, then you.
Brendan, you're next.
Because Stephen's got to get out.
Because I'm fattest and I've got
Okay, just wear like grandma.
Steve TV. Beep.
Love you.
Love yous too.
Yeah.
Say bye.